What's happening, guys? Biker Dave here. This is the 2010 Toyota Matrix, also known as a Corolla Matrix, and another car that's similar is the Pontiac Vibe. If you have been working with your steering wheel or your airbag or your horn mechanism or your clock spring or your steering angle sensor, which is down in there, but you've noticed maybe before diving into this that your VSC light or your auto-trac light, traction control light, has been stuck on your gauges, and you've tried all the different hacks and things and nothing has worked, what you might want to do, go into your steering wheel here. You got a couple of screws on both sides here of a T30 Torx. Remove those, take your airbag off. Sure, you can disconnect the battery also, even though nothing's really going to happen. But just to be on the safe side, disconnect the battery of the car. And look at the wiring relating to the steering angle sensor, which may or may not be in place on your car. If you or a previous owner has swapped out the clock spring, which is the mechanism that powers the horn, as well as actuates the airbag, if that, right behind that, the steering angle sensor is not there, you will have a VSC light stuck on your gauges. So you may want to double check that. Or if you swapped out your clock spring and you forgot to transfer over the steering angle sensor to the new one, I did the same thing, then your VSC light will come on. So investigate behind here. I've got another video on how to do that, but there are other videos on doing that too. I'm just giving you some feedback on if you've tried all the other fixes and hacks and whatnot and nothing has resolved the VSC light or the auto-trac light, that's another one you can try right behind there. Anyway, check all that out and post down below if you've had success with that or other ways you've resolved that issue. Mine was just the SAS was not in place. So there you go. Anyway, so yeah, we got tons of videos about this car. See the thumbnail link that'll pop up at the end of this video, and look in the description of the video for our social media links and our eBay store link, online store stuff. We sell motorcycle related parts and specialty tools. So if you like working on your own bikes and ATVs and whatnot, check out our online store. You might find some things that you like. And that's it. Look at the thumbnails that'll pop up at the end, guide you to the different areas of our store. Y'all have a great day.